Name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to everyone and very good morning to all of my dear students. I am your teacher of subject English. So let's start today's lecture. So dear students, let me tell you first of all that today I am sending you the review video which would be helpful for your tomorrow's test. Okay, so let's start. फर्स्ट यूनिट विच आई गिव यू डैट इज़ अ पोइम. वो एक पोइम है विच नेम्ड इज़ माई डव्स. ठीक है, माई डव्स एक्चुअली कंप्राइजेज ऑन द ग्रुप ऑफ डव्स, यानी कि इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा डव्स हैं, लाइक अ फ्लॉक ऑफ डव्स. एंड इफ़ यू सी दैट in this poem the poet is telling that he is working in an office and there is a window in his office room, and then he saw every time that the flock of birds came or visit to the office, like through the window, because the window is open, and he used to spread the breadcrumbs on the window ledge. Okay, and then he's in love with the doves. वो फिर and then he starting to praise the dove कि वो describing everything of the doves, वो doves की एक चीज़ को describe कर रहा है. ठीक है, when you can see the some of the words meanings. cease का मतलब है stop, रुक जाना. cooing का मतलब है sound of a dove. uproar meaning noisy sound, बहुत शोर करने वाली आवाज़. next is the strew meaning है to spread something, कुछ फेंक देना. next is the crumbs meaning small pieces, छोटे pieces. Next you can see the sentences given in front of you. Number 1 is the sunny, and then always, stretch, seem, fluttering. Okay students, you have to make the sentences by your own. Next you can see comprehension, which are the long question answer. How are the doves described in the poem? ठीक है, so the doves are described as having shining necks, snowy feathers, little rosy dripping feet, twinkling eyes and fluttering wings. Is the poet happy to see the doves? How do we know? The poet is happy to see the doves because she watches them daily, क्योंकि वो उन्हें daily देखते हैं. She also says that they feel her love. How does the poet get the doves to sit on her window ledge? The poet gets the doves to sit on her window ledge by placing crumbs of bread on it. क्योंकि he used to spread the breadcrumbs on the window ledge, इसलिए that's why the doves used to come there. Okay, there are some of the MCQs which are very easy. Every day the doves come to the window. The doves have shining necks. The poet is giving them crumbs of bread. The poet is happy to see the doves. The poet hides behind the curtain. The contraction for we are is we are, be. Choose the correct pronoun for the following sentences. Samina wore dash red dress for the party, her red dress. Now you can see some short question answer which are given on your booklet. So these are only 2 in number. Number 1 is, where do the doves come every day? Every day the doves come to the roof that is opposite to the poet's window. ठीक है. Number 2 is, what does the poet do so as not to frighten the doves? यानी कि ताकि वो ना डर सके तो वो अपने आप को कर्टन के पीछे छुपा लेता था. Next unit is the Beauty and the Beast, which is very interesting unit. If you see that this unit comprises on the main character, which is Beauty, and Beauty is the youngest girl, and Beauty has the many siblings like Jack, Joseph, George, April, June, and then she by herself. ठीक है. Her father merchant has the business of the goods. ठीक है, और उसमें उनको loss हुआ. Why? The first misfortune was the flames in the warehouse, and then in the second time they started to get the things from the ship by the sea. So वहाँ पे भी उन्हें loss होता है. ठीक है, and you can see the MCQs given. MCQs is that the merchant sells the goods brought by the ship. George is the most hardworking. The first misfortune that the family suffers was flame. The second misfortune was the loss of new goods. चीज़ों की थी. The father and the sons go to the forest. Forest में beast मिला था. June and April asked their father to bring new dresses. Beauty asked her father to bring a rose. Beauty is a good person because she feels the pain. Pain आएगा, anger नहीं आएगा. Okay. Next short question answer. What work does the merchant do? The merchant sells the goods brought by the ship. यानी कि उसका कपड़ों का काम था, इस तरह की चीज़ों का काम था जो वो चीज़ें इधर से उधर लेकर आता था. ताजिर था वो. Who is the most hardworking of the children? Beauty. व्हाट डज ब्यूटी आस्क हर फादर टू ब्रिंग? रोज। ठीक है, मैं आपको क्विकली आंसर बता रही हूँ. व्हाट डू जून एंड अप्रैल आस्क देयर फादर टू ब्रिंग देम? जून एंड अप्रैल आस्क देयर फादर टू ब्रिंग सम न्यू ड्रेसेस एंड न्यू ज्वेलरी. ठीक है, उन्होंने कहा था कि न्यू ड्रेसेस और न्यू ज्वेलरी लेकर आएँ. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी द वर्ड्स मीनिंग कैसल, अ लार्ज बिल्डिंग, सेंडर्स, एशेस, वो जो कोयले जल के राख हो जाते हैं, उसके जो राख होते हैं उसको कहते हैं. ठीक है, कमोशन, अ कन्फ्यूज्ड नॉइज, एक अजीबोगरीब सा शोर. सूट, टू प्लीज, वेयर हाउस, अ स्टोर हाउस, जहाँ पे हम चीज़ें रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट आर द सेंटेंसेज विच यू नीड टू डू बाय योर सेल्फ. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी द कॉम्प्रीहेंशन. इट्स वेरी लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन, सो आप इसकी पिक्चर ले लें, देन यू कैन डू इट ईजिली. What is the first misfortune that the family suffered? The first misfortune, पहली बदकिस्मती that the family suffered are the flames that the warehouse was burnt with. ठीक है, वो शोले थे जिसकी वजह से वो जल के राख हो गए थे. Where do the sons and the fathers go and why? The sons and the father go to the forest to get some money. What makes the beauty angry? When the merchant enters the castle and plucks the roses, this thing make the beast angry. In what ways is beauty a good person? Beauty is a good person because she feels the pain of others and loves her father more than anyone else. 5 question is that what is the second piece of bad news? The second piece of bad news is the loss of is the loss of new goods brought by the ships. ठीक है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग है, उसको एक दफ़ा रिव्यू कर लीजिएगा. नेक्स्ट इज़ द यूनिट 10 ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट पार्ट 2. पार्ट 2 में ये होता है कि इफ़ यू सी कि पार्ट 2 में बीस्ट जो है, बीस्ट डिमांडिंग द मर्चेंट टू ब्रिंग वन ऑफ हिज डॉटर एज टू बी द वाइफ ऑफ बीस्ट. ठीक है, तो कोई डॉटर नहीं मानती एक्सेप्ट ब्यूटी के. ब्यूटी एग्रीज एंड व्हेन ब्यूटी एग्रीज तो क्या होता है कि जो बीस्ट होता है वो ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड हो जाता है इनटू अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंस. ओके, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड टू लिव हैप्पीली बाय द blessing of merchant. Okay, you can see the MCQs. The merchant brings the news of sending one of his daughters. ठीक है, कि उसमें से एक डॉटर को लेकर. जॉर्ज said that he will go with Beauty for her safety. Beauty gave the reason of her ill father. Beast treats the Beauty with love and gives her presents. June and April want Beauty to stay at home to accompany to look after her father. ठीक है, Beauty says Beast is dying for her love. Beauty agrees to marry. Beauty's love turned the Beast into a prince. Okay, there are some short question answer. What promise did the merchant make and to whom? The merchant promised the Beast to send one of his daughters to his castle. Who says he will go with Beauty and what for? George said that he will go with Beauty for his safety. And number 3rd question, George said that he will go. Okay, what reason does Beauty give for wanting to return to the castle? Beauty says that the beast is dying because of his love for her. What does Beauty agree to do when the beast arrive at her house? Beauty agrees to marry. यानी कि ब्यूटी जो होती है वो एग्री हो जाती है कि वो उससे शादी करेगी, उसके बाद वो जो है वो ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाता है प्रिंस में. What reason does Beauty give for returning home? Beauty gave the reason of her father's illness. Words meaning generous, kind, state, condition, overjoyed, very happy, fault, mistake, dreadful, shocking. And the sentences are given in front of you which you have to make by your own. Okay, कॉम्प्रीहेंशन में है व्हाट आर द मर्चेंट एंड जॉर्ज रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम. ये दोनों कहाँ से आ रहे थे? फॉरेस्ट में से. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ न्यूज़ डज द मर्चेंट्स ब्रिंग बैक? द मर्चेंट ब्रिंग्स द न्यूज़ ऑफ सेंडिंग वन ऑफ हिज डॉटर. ठीक है, हाउ डज़ द बीस्ट ट्रीट ब्यूटी? बड़ी प्यार से वो उसे ट्रीट करता था, उसे प्रेजेंट्स देता था, उसे नहीं डराता था. डू अप्रैल एंड जून वॉन्ट देयर सिस्टर टू गो अवे सून? नो, अप्रैल एंड जून डू नॉट वॉन्ट देयर सिस्टर टू गो अवे सून. What happened when the beast becomes transformed? When the beast transforms, he changes into a handsome prince. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज द एप्लीकेशन. मिसकंडक्ट एप्लीकेशन ज़रूर कीजिएगा. पैटर्न इज दैट द प्रिंसिपल यूनिक जूनियर स्कूल कोमा लाहौर फुल स्टॉप रिस्पेक्टेड मैडम कोमा विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट कोमा इट इज स्टेटेड दैट आई एम द स्टूडेंट ऑफ क्लास 4. आई एम गिल्टी अपॉन द मिस्टेक ऑफ मिसबिहेविंग विद द अदर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ माई स्कूल. आई सीक योर फॉरगिवनेस इन दिस रिगार्ड. आई एम शेमफुल ऑफ दिस एक्ट. आई एश्योर यू दैट I will not misbehave with anyone next time. Please forgive me so that I may be able to improve myself and behave well next time. I shall be thankful to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently XYZ. Next is the sick leave. सिक लीव की भी एक दफ़ा गो थ्रू कर लीजिएगा, लेकिन मिसकंडक्ट की आपने ज़रूर पढ़नी है. ओके, That's all for today's review video. I hope that it would be helpful for you. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.